Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you into Huck's World, and today we got another freebie for you all to check out. That's right, another freebie. And this one is by GS Watch Faces. The guy always does great work on watch faces, so make sure you check out his page when you go download this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called GS Gear Sport 12 hours. It's by kilometer. It's a nice watch face. I like all the information. I like the layout. Everything is very legible. Even in the AOD mode, you're going to get a good look for the Gears 3. And I thought the Gears 2 AOD mode looked a lot better than the Gears 3, but both are going to look great in the AOD mode. But once the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. You get a traditional time, which I like. You get nice analog hands that glow red, and you get a nice smooth second hand, of course, and you're going to get a nice big legible digital time as well. So you get the best of both worlds. But up at the top, you're going to get all your step status info, from steps to calories burned to your heart rate, miles walked or ran. You come down to the left, you're going to get your battery percentage. To the right, you're going to get your step goal completed. And then down at the bottom, you're going to get a big, bold, legible time, and it's going to be in 12 hours. Now, down right up under that, you're going to get your date as well. Now, the watch face is pretty much fully interactive as well. You can tap all over the place to pull up certain information, and we're going to go through it so you can get an idea of what you're going to be in for once you download this watch face. Now, I tapped on the circle to pull up the weather, just in case you can't find it after you download it. And if I tap on the heart rate, I can pull up the heart rate information. Same thing for the steps here. So this is fully customizable. I like it. I like what my man brought to the table with this watch face. But check it out. In the center, if you double tap, you can customize the color theme of the watch face. So depending on what color you have on, if you want to tie this into that, this is going to be a nice watch face to have on your wrist. Not bad at all. You get like 7 different colors in all, and I think the watch face is worth the download. But at the end of the day, people, it is totally up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.